the vice president is all. The vice president, the country me a first man bomb, and my mina sorry me na bomb man say, oh, be doing more sorry, but the person who man resign, one resign, NDC will lose 2028.
Wow. What's my man resign?
1 year, 2 years after, the woman must resign, and they must appoint a man, and a dynamic man to be a vice president who will hold the flag. Because as we are speaking right now, it's opening. Yeah, 2 of us is here, and you don't remember free on ma. You be a Bessiana. You only pay Makumako 5 NDC more understanding. But say the Pamakumako 5 understanding, and I say Abrosa 6. Sa region here 1 2 3 4 5 and abako become man is babakona so aso beba so ma many questions into the let's market and see that omo promise no any people standing 1 2 3 4 5 one ba become na e 6 yes e 5 and this 5 no right now no omo show up okay ana NDC mo no MPP mo no. There are some people almost standing here, omudi eno omuni abewi ase. The spiritual realm no, omun na spirit ni no. Enye mu amoma abonten. So obewu so betre nkon nobody knows. Ana sesia no, me se ye to aba sesia ya, eye NDC ni MPP to aba sesia na John Mama stande. Ni ye kofa MPP fo nyina be stande. Eya, ana se de former vice president no. Baumia embe stand ma MPP na we mu ya say we say na ayi no ye verse 60 30 something.
Yes.
So on say it fine me fan say we nyan ana mo che de aka no but so penny I am telling you right now as we are speaking right now no say Ewrade ya dom say Ewrade ya dom no mo stand bia me say ebeye 80-20. Oh, any plan better ma NDC ano ebe 80%. And one better MPP ano 20. Because Baumia elusu ne credibility what about him. And he must resign from everything and do anything to maintain his integrity and gather some people or be strong within. Now on your honest, anya atrobio. Na wonya atro no de nyina anse wotimi agani ni position anase ni nimye na nimonyam ni bio enye sa ontumi da ensesia de ogina so the gentleman of the year na ewo yemu sesia de John Dramani mama ono nko a nobody else ba ko MPP sesia na the second part of MPP na the new MPP no de obedi new MPP no mususu no ye fe no Kenya Japan. Yes. The me catch and say me try the case me say am betwa no. Kenya Japan. No. Nti do obenya di pa ye frɛ no Kenya Japan. Okay. So on say na sunso metie. This is how it is. Me can say Madrid, the whole thing Madrid da ho. Ana do be winni ewo ayino so no I've told you. Yes. Ana me kan chiro. Makachiro. Enti send this pedia. A way to a wise. Yes. Enye sa. Abane beko MPP for nsebo. Na mention person men nonsense here because Holy Spirit akache me but we nyansafo a mebu ba twitwa ensem ahia no. We nyansafo be because on go say menka. Enti menka. Na mebu be. Because Jesus Christ spoke in parables. Yes. So, as a servant and the son of Jesus Christ, I must speak on parables. And I pray the Holy Spirit to continue to see us through and wake us up for us to know the truth. And nothing will stop us to tell the truth. And to me, no kurankwana mebeka.